Hello everyone. So I'm in this beautiful outdoor location doing a bit of off-road in this perfect silence, and you can hear the birds singing and the wind blowing, and of course it's raining, but something it's not good, and that is the lack of some music maybe. And if you want to go to a picnic and you want to listen to some music exactly in this kind of environment where you are with the nature, with the wind, with the rain, and you want to listen to something that sounds good, well, then you definitely will need this, and that is the Tronsmart Element T6 wireless speaker. And this is a portable Bluetooth speaker, but this thing packs a punch. It has 25 watts of output power. It features 360 surround sound, and it's called Element because it has a kind of subwoofer on the base of the speaker that has a secret function, and I'm going to demonstrate that. So let's take it out of the box. So in the box you are going to find a small leaflet, and this is for warranty purpose and support. You can find some information and the website address there, and there's the speaker. The speaker is very easy to set up and to install. You actually don't even need to go online to search for the instructions. You just need to power this on. It has a simple command menu here. You have power, you have skip tracks, forward, backward, you have a button for placing calls, and also you have play pause. While this nice looking ring here, this is actually for adjusting volume. So the speaker has internal sound speakers actually that are placed under this mesh on both of its sides, and has this reflector here. And this thing, it has a very large metal part here, and it's placed on a membrane, and this thing will vibrate very powerful and will actually transmit vibrations to the object that you place the speaker on, and that's why it's called Element. It has a vibrating element that makes the object resonate the same frequency, so it turns other objects into speakers, and it will amplify lower frequencies and will make them sound more natural and more real than on other type of speakers. So that's a very nice addition to this model. And now to put this in action, I have just powered it on, started my Bluetooth on my mobile phone, and you are going to search for Bluetooth devices. You are going to find the Tronsmart audio. Just click select on it. It will not ask for any kind of password, so you don't need any kind of passkey. You just click on that, it will connect right away. It will give you an audio signal, and that's it. You are now connected. So if I press play on my YouTube here with the audio track that is not copyrighted, I already have audio on this. And I don't know how good you can hear this on my camera, but this thing really sounds amazing, and all the objects around, even the car mat here, simply vibrates with the same frequencies at this subwoofer here. And that makes it sound really natural. So as you see, this is an impressive piece of technology. Not only a speaker, but actually a high quality speaker, because the market is flooded by portable Bluetooth speakers. Well, this thing stands on top somewhere because of the sound quality. It also has a large internal battery, so it will run for a long period of time. It is easy to set up. It's kind of resistant to the environment, and it simply sounds amazing. I already told you that, but I really enjoyed the fact that it kind of makes all things vibrate and improve the sound quality tremendously. So I hope that you have enjoyed this review. Be sure to subscribe for more videos, and until then, see you and bye bye.